TimeCube is the world's simplest and easy to use timer. All you need to do is turn to the countdown side you want, and when your time is up, you will hear a beep. Just turn it back to 0 to turn it off. It's that simple. Everybody that uses the TimeCube absolutely loves it. It gets a 4 to 5 star rating on average on Amazon.com. The TimeCube can be used in a variety of different ways. For fitness, cooking, making meetings more productive and on time, and a great tool in the classroom at home for learning. See for yourself why everybody loves the TimeCube. Brought to you by Datexx.